Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Tartaric acid 2,3-dehydroxybutanoic acid has two chiral centers C2 and C3, each bearing OH, IChO, and the rest of the chain as substituents. To enumerate all stereoisomers with two chiral centers, a maximum of 2 is equal to 4 stereoisomers are conceivable. However, because both chiral centers bear identical substituents, one combination produces a meso compound, the 2R, 3S or equivalently 2S, 3R form, which has an internal plane of symmetry and is therefore optically inactive. The remaining stereoisomers are 2R, 3R, tartaric acid, D-tartaric acid, and 2S, 3S, tartaric acid, L-tartaric acid, which are non-superimposable mirror images, an enantiomeric pair, and are both optically active. Thus, out of the three distinct compounds, D-tartaric acid, L-tartaric acid, and mesotartaric acid, exactly 2 are optically active. The meso form is excluded because internal symmetry cancels optical activity. Option A, 1 is too few. Option C, 3 counts the meso form incorrectly as optically active. Option D, 4 overcounts. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.